Many people say that wooden sinks don't hold water. Okay, now we prove it. This is a solid wood sink, not ordinary wood. It has been coated with special waterproof coating. Now we keep flushing. Water flows. And look, the water goes straight down. It doesn't soak in. The surface remains smooth. It won't bubble up. It doesn't change its color. Myth or fact? Fact. Wooden sinks can be waterproof. Origin of the material is correct, and the finishing is spot on. Still in doubt? Let's see until the end.